And you'll be surprised to hear that today, once again, we're diving into the world of property investing. Now, I've been in this game for years, decades in fact, and I'm really excited to share some strategies that have helped me stay motivated and focused, because you need those two things among others to stay the long haul. Now, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to level up, these tips will make a real difference to you because they are based on real life experience. They're not just fuzzy duzzy stuff made up, blue sky thinking. It's real stuff. So let's get started. First and foremost, having clear goals, I believe, is the cornerstone of successful property investing. You need to set specific and measurable targets, and I think that's crucial because it keeps you on track and focused, and you know where you're heading. Now, whether you're aiming to acquire a certain number of properties within a given year or working towards a specific monthly rental income or something else, those clear goals that you set provide you with a roadmap to success. So it shows you the kind of destination, if not the journey. Now, setting specific goals means defining exactly what you want to achieve, not anybody else but you. It's all about being clear and precise with your intentions. For example, instead of saying, I want to make money investing in property, a more specific goal would be, I want to purchase 10 single-let properties in the next 3 years that will generate me X amount of cash flow to replace my current annual income. Measurable goals, as the name suggests, are those that can be quantified. They allow you to track your progress and determine when you've achieved your objectives. A measurable goal provides a clear benchmark against which you can measure your success, and that's important. And when you are successful, celebrate that success, because most people don't. We all moan about when things aren't working well, but we don't celebrate success as much as we ought to. For example, setting a goal like, I want to purchase 4 investment properties with a 6% or higher annual rate of return on investment provides a measurable target that you can assess over time. When you have a number, you can track it. When you can track, you can improve. By writing down your goals and placing them somewhere visible, because I think that's important, you create a constant reminder of your objectives. And this practice, by the way, helps reinforce your commitment and your determination, because it's in front of you, out of sight, out of mind. Visual cues are going to help you stay focused on your journey and your path, especially during challenging times. Moreover, there's different frameworks. Some people talk about SMART goals, SMART goal setting, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Some people swear by them, some don't. I'm not going to go into all of that in too much detail, but some of the things within the SMART acronym work. I think having specific goals is important. Having measurable goals is important. I'm not a fan of achievable. I think goals should be awesome if you wanted to use that and they should be huge, big, hairy, audacious goals, as Jim Collins puts it in Good to Great. That's incredibly important. Now, whether it's a big milestone like acquiring a multiple number of properties, or a smaller goal or task like conducting, let's say, due diligence on potential investments, each goal brings you closer to your ultimate vision. The key is to set these goals in a way that aligns with your long-term aspirations and keeps you motivated throughout your property investing journey. Staying ahead in the property game or the industry requires a commitment to continuous learning. Remember, every day is a school day, and lifelong learning is important. The property market is dynamic and ever evolving, influenced by various factors such as economic trends, changes in technology, changing consumer behavior, preferences, interest rates, inflation, and all of that. As a property investor, your ability to adapt and thrive within this environment greatly depends on your willingness to stay informed and up to date. So yes, you have to research and you have to read. It's important. The property market is subject to constant shifts, from regulatory changes to emerging trends. By engaging in continuous learning, you, my friend, can stay well informed about the latest developments in laws, regulations, industry practices, best practice that affect your investments and your deals. This knowledge is crucial, in my opinion, for ensuring compliance, minimizing risk, which again is very important, and making informed choices that align with your goals and objectives and also the law. Furthermore, changes and advancements in technology have reshaped the property investment landscape. Digital tools, data analytics, online marketing strategies, and much more have become an integral part of property transactions. By embracing continuous education, you can stay updated on these changes and learn how to leverage them to your advantage. This includes understanding virtual tours, online listings, and other tech-driven solutions that can enhance your property investment strategies. Additionally, I believe learning from other experienced investors and industry professionals is invaluable and important. Attending seminars, workshops, networking events provides opportunities to exchange insights, strategies, best practices with peers, for people you look up to, people who are doing things that you want to do. And by interacting with others in the field, you can gain fresh perspectives, learn from their successes and their failures, which are really lessons, and refine and redefine your own investment approach. Knowledge truly, I believe, is your most valuable asset, and continuous learning is not just an option, it's a necessity for property investors who aim to thrive in a competitive and ever-changing market. By staying informed about legal changes, embracing technology, learning from experienced peers, and continually expanding your knowledge, you position yourself to make confident and strategic investment choices and ultimately maximize your returns on investment. Networking and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals within the property industry can significantly contribute to your success as a property investor, because success leaves clues and you want to follow those clues rather than make all the mistakes yourself. This practice entails connecting with fellow investors, attending local property clubs, participating in networking events, and by immersing yourself in a community of individuals who are like-minded, who share your passion for property, who are positive, who open the door to a multitude of ideas and bring benefits to you, will greatly enhance your investment journey. Now, the benefit of networking, if you haven't been networking, is that you can learn from other people's experiences. Other investors provide you with a unique opportunity to learn from their experiences, successes, and even their challenges. This knowledge can help you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions as you navigate the property landscape. It also helps you discover potential partnerships, and this is an important one. Networking events and property clubs are excellent places, in my opinion, to meet potential business partners. Collaborating with others who share your goals and values can lead to mutually beneficial partnerships. Partnering with like-minded people partnering with like-minded individuals can not only broaden your investment opportunities, but it also brings diverse skills. It brings a diverse skill set to the table. It also helps you identify lucrative deals within your network. You may come across fellow investors who have properties available for sale or are seeking opportunities for investment. By engaging with these individuals, you might stumble upon lucrative deals that align your investment strategy. Now, sometimes investors are willing to offer off-market deals to trusted colleagues before making them public, giving you a competitive edge. Networking also gives you access to local marketing insights. Fellow investors who are actively engaged in the local market can provide you with valuable insights into the current state of the market. So if you're really busy, you just leverage that time by using other people's knowledge. And they can also share with you emerging trends, potential growth areas, potential challenges, risks, and how they're mitigating them. So you just feed off them. It also helps you motivate yourself and become accountable by surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are driven and ambitious and can inspire you to set higher goals and strive for continuous improvement. Additionally, having peers who hold you accountable for your goals can help you stay focused and on track. Networking also helps you refine your investment strategy. Engaging in conversations and discussions with other investors can and will encourage you to rethink and refine your investment strategy. This can lead to strategic adjustments and amendments that increase your chances of success. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals in the property field is a strategic move and can propel your investment journey to new heights if that's what you want. By engaging with this community, you'll find that your investment path becomes more informed, connected, and ultimately more rewarding. In the dynamic and often unpredictable landscape of the property market, adaptability is a fundamental trait that significantly contributes to an investor's success. The property market is influenced by a whole host of factors such as supply and demand fluctuations, interest rates, economic conditions, and regulatory changes. To not only survive but thrive in this environment, you as a property investor must possess a keen skill of flexibility and willingness to adapt to changing circumstances and make quick decisions when the time is necessary, i.e. when the pressure is on, and then have the ability to rethink slowly when it's time to think through things slowly. And this means having an open mind to new strategies, having an open mind to adjusting your plans, embracing change whenever you can. In this rapidly changing market, the ability to ensure that investors can thrive regardless of the challenges or opportunities one faces, this skill to adapt helps and enables you as an investor to remain competitive, to make informed choices, and ultimately to achieve your long-term financial goals in what I feel is a dynamic world. In the world of property, I think it's crucial to remember that success isn't solely determined by financial choices and market trends. Taking care of yourself is an essential component of maintaining focus and making sharp investment decisions. While the investment landscape can be exhilarating, it can also be demanding and mentally taxing. Ensuring your well-being through self-care is vital to sustaining your edge and achieving your investment goals. Investing demands a high level of concentration and decision making, a lot of pressure, and it's important to maintain this focus because when things are challenging, if you neglect your own well-being, you're going to make it harder for you. So a balanced life that includes self-care activities can help you stay sharp and attentive when looking at deals and opportunities and risks and the market in general. Engaging in regular exercise not only improves your physical health but also has a direct impact on your mental well-being, which is crucial. Physical activity releases endorphins, which can alleviate stress and boost your mood. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can provide you with mental clarity that you need to analyze investment options effectively. Self-care practice like meditation and mindfulness contribute to improved cognitive function. These practices help reduce stress, enhance emotional regulation, and improve decision-making abilities. A clear and focused mind is more equipped to assess complex investment scenarios and make well-informed choices. A healthy mind is essential for evaluating and managing risks effectively. When you're well rested and emotionally balanced, you're better equipped to assess potential risks, develop strategies to mitigate them, and make rational decisions even in uncertain situations and times, just like what we're going through right now. And just as diversification is crucial for a balanced investment portfolio, diversifying your activities and prioritizing self-care is vital for long-term success. Engaging in hobbies you enjoy, otherwise you wouldn't do it, spending time with loved ones and dedicating time to relaxation and leisure activities contribute to fulfilling life beyond investments, because investments are just a tool and a mechanism for you to have a better life. Investing can be all time consuming, as I well know, and I'm sure you do too, and by neglecting personal relationships can lead to isolation, and it will negatively impact your mental health. Therefore, prioritizing time with loved ones and nurturing these relationships not only enriches your personal life but also provides emotional support that can be crucial during challenging times in your investment journey. Incorporating self-care practices into your routine can significantly impact your well-being, mental clarity, and the ability to make sound investment choices. Just as you dedicate time to research investment opportunities, take time to care for yourself. It's not only a worthy investment in your personal health, because health is wealth, but also an investment that pays dividends in your ability to navigate the complexities of the investment world successfully. And there you have it, 5 strategies to keep you motivated and focused. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. So take your time, keep your goals clear, stay educated, build a strong network, be adaptable, maintain a balanced life. With these strategies, I believe, in your toolkit, you're well on your way to achieving property investment success, or you've got the right foundations at least. Stay inspired, and I'll see you on the path to prosperity.